Hello, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the window mode in Dying Light the Beast. As the first step we have to open the settings, so to do it press the O button on your keyboard and or move your mouse over here and open options. Now you have to choose the video settings and in here the second option will be window mode. You can change the full-sized windowed or windowed borderless or full screen. All depends on your preferences. If you're using the second monitor, then you should choose the windowed borderless. It should be easier to navigate through your both monitors. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!